We sat down with Luis Bueno, one of Jobsity's senior data engineers who works for our client, Avenue 8. Avenue 8 is a company that specializes in providing data analysis tools and other software in the real estate sector. Luis has been working with them for about 4 months, so we wanted to chat about what he's been working on, what he's liked about his experience, and what exactly he brings to the table as a job citizen. Let's take a look.
I've been hired to assist them in the market reports project that they have, which is the idea is for us to generate data reports with metrics and insights for the agents based on the specific markets that Avenue 8 works on. So basically mostly California. So we have like these multiple reports based on each regions with their metrics. So to assist the agents. I have some years of experience with data engineering. We have like lots of experience with Python and Airflow and these kinds of data projects in the past. So I think that's what made me a good fit for this project. That's what they were looking for. At Avenue 8, they have part of their data platform written in a language that I'm not familiar with, which is Rust. So I've been taking some time to learn it, and yeah, it's a pretty cool language, and you know, something else to have on my skills. So it's been pretty cool. One thing that would be really cool to work on would be like getting more used to AWS. I've worked with other cloud providers in the past, but it's my first time working with AWS, and I've been getting around with it pretty well, but I wanted to get some more deeper knowledge into it in the future as I move on to with the company. With ChatGPT, it helps us with, you know, searching for how to solve issues and looking for problems. It makes it easier for you to at least have some starting point to get that is much quicker than sometimes just Googling it and going through all the results and trying to find the correct solution. So yeah, that's how I think like that has been impacting. And as ChatGPT and AI as a whole gets better, I think it will be just as better in the future. I really like the people at Avenue 8. Like everyone is always like very helpful. Everyone, you know, I was very well received there. Everyone's always ready to help, always ready to chat and assist you with everything that you need. So yeah, I really like the people there. It's been really cool. In this data reports project that I've been working on, we have like lots of challenges with, you know, the data providers and the data being sent and how that, you know, sometimes the data is not correct. So like one feedback that I got is that I've been really getting around these issues pretty well, taking into account the time that I've been at the company and how I got things like pretty quickly from like these issues and the business side, and how I've been able to tackle these problems that have been appearing. So yeah, I think that's what I've got. I think it's pretty cool, you know, working with Avenue 8 and, you know, getting in contact with these projects. And as Jobsity, I really like Jobsity and everything that there is. And, you know, in the future, maybe working with different clients and, you know, getting these new experiences. But yeah, it's been pretty cool. And also interacting with other job citizens at my work and even the ones that are not with my client. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good experience.